Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the watch above 50% and make sure Bluetooth is on. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, open the companion app on your phone and go to the pairing or QR code scanner. You will often find it under Settings or Device. Position the smartwatch display facing your phone camera within 1 to 2 feet, steady the phone, and tap Scan. Doing these steps first saves time and prevents repeating the initial handshake. Once done with setup, aim the phone camera at the watch QR code. Center it and hold steady. Many apps auto-capture in under 2 seconds. If the app requests camera or location permissions, allow them now, because scanning and secure network checks require those grants. After the code is recognized, verify the characters or icon shown on both screens. This prevents pairing with the wrong device. Then choose Authorize or Pair. The app will exchange credentials, and you finish by letting the devices complete the initial sync. Check that watch faces, notifications, and apps appear correctly. That confirms a successful link. If pairing stalls for more than 30 seconds, reboot the watch and phone, then re-attempt scanning. Toggling Bluetooth often clears transient issues. If problems persist, make sure the app has up-to-date permissions, regenerate the QR code from the watch or app, and reset network settings as a last resort. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.